Welcome to 7 Palmetto Lane, a charming and completely turnkey property nestled among the serene trees of Southern Shores. This property and peaceful retreat is elevated on a high lot with no flood insurance required and offers an easy-to-manage layout perfect for those seeking a low-maintenance lifestyle with all the comforts of modern living. Let's go take a look inside. There are no stairs to enter the home, so you can enjoy single-story living with the kitchen, dining, and living areas, as well as the primary bedroom with a private ensuite bath, all located on the main level. The kitchen boasts beautiful maple cabinets as well as newer granite counters, stainless appliances, and tile flooring. You can take a seat at the breakfast bar or lounge in the breakfast nook area, all while enjoying the company of friends and family. Large windows and vaulted ceilings let in tons of natural light, and the Peninsula-style gas fireplace creates a warm and inviting ambience in the kitchen, dining, and living areas. All furniture and decorations convey, so this property is completely move-in or rental ready. The second level offers 2 additional bedrooms, also fully furnished, and a bonus loft area overlooking the great room that offers the perfect space to spread out. Additional features not to be missed include charming plantation shutters, beautiful arched doorways, recessed lighting for ambiance, and crown molding to add that final touch of character to this home. Enjoy the tranquility of your private and fenced-in backyard that offers a patio for dining al fresco and plenty of yard space. The storage shed is ideal for all your beach gear and tools, and you could easily add a garage to this property if desired. Southern Shores homeowners also enjoy the luxury of joining the optional Southern Shores Civic Association, which offers a community marina with boat launch, a soundfront park and playground, tennis courts, and over 30 private beach accesses. With its inviting atmosphere and effortless upkeep, this home is a true gem for those looking for comfort and convenience in a picturesque setting on the Outer Banks. I'm Heather Sakers with Coldwell Banker Seaside Realty, and I look forward to connecting with you on this property at 7 Palmetto Lane in Southern Shores, or all things Outer Banks real estate. Thanks and have a great day.